Hello, hello. What is going on? It is me, Jay Renard, and I'm here with some non-leather content. Let's do this. Alright, so for those of y'all who don't know, I'm very much into not really the fashion industry or the beauty industry or anything like that, but I do like to have nice things for myself. I try to make things nice for myself, or I make nice things for myself, and so forth and so on. And when the time comes, I like to step it up a bit. So some of the things that I have that are a different sort of quality, different shoes that I buy, different clothes that I get. A lot of it is very work or casual wear, but every now and then I'll get something like um, tailor-fitted Hugo Boss shirts, the odd Prada boots or something like that. It's not an everyday thing, but it is a thing that I do sometimes. And one of the creators that I follow, she's in the modeling industry, and she partnered with Votari or Avotari. I believe it's just Votari. Sorry if I mispronounced it. And she made this fragrance, or they made this fragrance with her. And initially, I thought that it was a perfume, and so I was just very supportive of it. Saw some nice things, shared it, and or posted some nice things and shared it. But then I looked into it and saw that it was a unisex fragrance. So I went and read up on it, and it fit more of my normal style when I'm doing more than just casual wear. So I decided to go ahead and buy it when it came out, and it arrived not too long ago. I just got it. I had to take it out of the box, so this isn't a proper unboxing because I have my personal information on it. But here it is. So this is the fragrance in question here. It's by Votari, and the creator, her name is Stefania Ferrario. Stefania Ferrario. I might have mispronounced that. She's obviously Italian, but she's from Australia. Let me make sure that my stuff isn't in there. Okay. And one of the things that, let me see what else in here. Okay. And Stefania is she is vegan and an activist. I am not really into activism in general. I feel like people are better served to live their values and then just promote them in their lifestyles. But going out and doing the protests and stuff like that, that's a bit too much and too forward for me. However, much love to people who are that passionate about what they're into. So good on you. But I did like that this fragrance here, and I believe this company in general, they don't do animal testing. I understand that a lot of good information can be gained by testing on animals. However, some things I believe are unnecessary to be tested on animals because a lot of times what they're testing isn't a one-for-one, or maybe the animal's skin, eyes, nasal passages, what have you. Their things are just too sensitive, more sensitive than ours. So when I see that things like this aren't tested on animals, I'm all for it. Okay, love to hear the first impression. That's good. So up front, I do like a bunch of what I'm seeing. Okay. La Rouge, and that is the Miss Stefania Focus. There we go. That's her. Smoky, sweet, unforgettable. Good to go. Again, it was advertised as unisex, so hopefully it actually is. Okay. Here's one. Amore is a his, her. You can see it right there. Unisex. Okay, to another one. All right, I'm digging it. 3 samples. I mean, one would have been very appreciated. 3 is just a great bonus. Good stuff. Digging the packaging. They didn't overdo it. We make no common sense. I love that. That is nice. Okay. See if there's anything else in here. Alright. Alright, so far so good. I'm liking what they've put in there. A little bit of information. Obviously QR codes for stuff. And then the samples. Again, 1, more than happy with. 3, we're going to call that a great bonus. So far so good. Votari. Okay. Let's try to not damage this here. Oh, come on, don't do that. It was going so well. There we go. Let's leave that on there. La Rouge. So I'm very much digging everything about this. The packaging was nice, really effective without being overdone or just stuffed with things. The packing peanuts were great, but not the very small ones where they overloaded it that just fall and get stuck everywhere. This here I like a lot. You can see the depth of this. I've had several fragrances that I've gotten where the base was really just a thing to set it in. It didn't really serve a purpose. This will absolutely keep this from moving any place. If you're the sort of person who likes to keep these bases, the way that my room is set up, where I keep all my fragrances, this will be less necessary, but because it is so sturdy, I'm going to go ahead and keep it. I'm digging it. I didn't think, upon looking at it, I thought, oh, okay, square, it's a little bit too trendy, but feels good in the hand. Can we smell a little bit of it? All right. Let's go on ahead and do this. All right, so initial scent just from back here, so about 1.5 feet away, I can smell it really well. I like this a whole lot. That is real good, because it's a pleasant scent. It is a smoky, maybe even a touch spicy as well, but there's a sweetness to it. It's very much, I mean, usually people, a lot of times when I've seen these things, they what they describe it as is just, it sounds good, and then when you use it, it's not quite those things, but other notes. This is rock solid right here. Smoky, sweet, and warm. Absolutely. So, all right, let me see. Oh, I should have read this earlier. That was my bad. I just was so interested in the card and getting right to it. So, as was... Come on, focus. There we go. So the fragrance notes, you have chestnut, giac or gaiac. Don't know how you pronounce that. Vanilla orchid. Let me tell you that vanilla is very prominent on the top notes. rosemary, balsam, nutmeg, pink pepper. I knew it was spicy, and mandarin orange. So right off the bat, I got the wood and that nutty scent and the vanilla orchid. The rest is coming through right now. I wish you could smell this. And again, like I said, it's not bold. It's not in your face. It's one of those ones. It doesn't have a huge presence where it's going to go out like 3 feet or more. So, but when people are close to you, they are absolutely gonna. When they're close to you, they're gonna wonder what it is that you're wearing, and they're gonna want to get closer to you. This La Rouge by Votari and Stefania. This is a good one. Really, really good one. Strongly recommend going and checking it out. I can't remember what the price is because I know she is from Australia. I don't know if Votari is based out of Australia either, but as I remember, the price for the item and the shipping were in Australian dollars. So you're going to have to go to the site and see what that is in Aussie dollars and then compare it to your own currency. But I am liking this. 30 milliliters for such a really nice, great scent. And especially for the winter, this is a really, really great winter scent. I think it might even be good for maybe early spring or maybe a late summer or basically a fall scent. I don't consider this a mid-spring and summer scent, although it will smell really good. For right here, right now, for us in the US, it's the winter time. This is a rock solid purchase. Absolutely, I'm in support of La Rouge by Votari and Stefania Ferrario. All right. Thank you very much for coming to my very much non-leather related unboxing. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.